everybody, I'm so excited. I'm inside Dave's County Market and we have our final ITM of 2023 up and running. So this is available for all of our members and non-members to use anytime the store is open. We also have our ones that are inside our drive-up lanes, and those are available 24/7. Again, on these ITMs, you can make deposits of cash or check, do transfers, make loan payments, anytime. If you can get to the ITM, then you can do those transactions. So really, we have not taken away any services. All of our friendly tellers are still available for you, and in fact, if you actually need help using the ITM for the first time and it's during business hours, Monday through Friday, you can actually click a button on the screen here, request teller assistance, and one of our friendly ITM tellers will actually pop up on the screen here and can actually help you via video. They can see what you're doing on the screen and walk you through that. So we're really excited about this new technology that we have going on. And I'm just going to cancel this.
My name is Ben. How can I help you?
And this is Ben. This is one of our ITM tellers. So he would be here to assist you and help you use this machine for the first time. So thanks for talking with us, Ben. We'll talk to you later.
All right. Have a good one.
Thank you. So that is Ben. We have a couple other, and you might recognize some of them. Some of them are from our actual teller lines coming into you via video. So again, just another unique way to meet our members where they're at, and you can use these machines anytime that you can get to them. So thank you and have a very Merry Christmas.